Today we want to present about chapter 6, stress and strain. Here my group member, Nur Masita binti Abdul Aziz, Muhammad Uzaifah Afnan bin Umar Airi, Muhammad Faris Adha bin Rizal.
Chapter 1 Introduce of the assignment. We will give Chapter 6 stress and strain to the study, benefit and apply it into our module department. Stress and strain is a basic engineering effect on the bodies.
Objective of assignment. Skill, understanding elasticity of solid material and application of elasticity in real life situation. Third, develop great teamwork among group members. And last, develop model successfully.
Chapter 2, literature review, stress, strain and Young modulus. What is the meaning of stress and strain? Stress is defined as the force experienced by the object which causes a change in the object, while a strain is defined as the change in the shape of an object when stress is applied. Stress is measurable and has a unit, while a strain is a dimensionally quantity and has no unit. Number 2, an act of straining or the condition of being strained, such a bodily injury from excessive tension, effort, or use hard strain, especially one resulting from a wrench or twice and involving undue stretching or muscle or ligament, back strain, excessive of difficult exertion of labor. What is stress with example of stress and strain? For example, a stress on a rubber band produce larger strain deformation than the same stress on a steel band of the same dimension, because the elastic modulus for rubber is 2 order of magnitude smaller than the elastic modulus for steel. The definition of strain is bodily injury due to overexertion or an excessive demand on resource. An example of strain is pulled muscle. An example of strain is reading a book in the dark because pressure on the eyes and nose. Stress when a force applied to an elastic body, the body deforms. Stress is the way in which the body deforms depend upon the type of force applied to it. The extension depend on nature of material, the stretching force, cross sectional area and its original length. The stress on a body act on the by deforming force equal to F per A. The magnitude of force F is dividing by the cross sectional area A which the force acts.
The difference between stress and strain. Stress is the restoring or deforming force per unit area. Strain is change in shape per original shape. The formula for stress is F per equal to N. For the strain, its formula is final length uh, initial length per final length, and it has no unit. Young modulus. The Young modulus is the elastic limit of a material. Is the maximum stress that can be applied to body without causing a permanent deformation. The material exhibit elastic behavior when the stress is removed. The body returns to its original size and shape. This constant is known as Young modulus, and it usually symbolized by an E or Y.
Stress and strain, the graph. D is the material experiment. For example, rubber, paper clip, stick, and then bottle. D is the function of the material experiment. Rubber brand. Can a stick and indicated the limit of the rubber string. Paper clip to hang on the rubber tied to the bottle. Bottle to fill with water with mass 1.5, 3.0 and 4.5 kg. 1 liter, 1 kg. The stick to hold the rubber spread with in the hang the bottle.
Weight of holster 0 for the length of rubber 21 centimeter. Firstly, and second 1.5 length of rubber 21.5. Thirdly, 3.0 length of rubber 24.0 centimeter. And lastly, 4.5 kg length of rubber is 26.5 centimeter.
The calculation. A rubber strip is 0.4 cm wide and 21 centimeter long. A force of 50 Newton is applied to it, and it stretches 3 cm with knowledge 3 cm with knowledge into stress and strain. Calculate the elastic modulus of the rubber strip. For calculating the stress, we use force per unit, first force per area. Uh, the radius uh, we get from 0.4 watt. So the radius is 0.2. So this formula use unit meter. So we change to the meter and get 1.26 times 10 power of -5, and we we get into the formula. Force is 15. Then per answer and get 1.19 megapascal. For the strain, we use this formula. So we get from the question. So we replace and get for strain we get 1.43 times 10 power -2. So the Young modulus is stress over strain. So we get 8.32 gigapascal.
Conclusion. The conclusion is we able to understand how to ask the Young module. Maybe some of our group not to understand about this topic. So after do together, we more understand and also improve our knowledge. We also can understand the elastic of some material like rubber and with us in our daily life. We also more knowledge about how to ask the instrument. In the end of the report, we can conclude they are to handle the instrument which are making any error. We should, you should be more aware when holding instrument.
Okay, first thing that we use is stick. It used to hold the rubber strip which is hang the bottle that have load. Second is rubber band. Rubber band is used to stretch and indicate the limit of the rubber strands. The third thing is pin. The pin is used to hang on the rubber tied to the bottle which is hang from the stick. So the last thing that we use is 5.5 liter bottle. The bottle is used to fill with water with mass 1.5, 3.0 and
Firstly, we use a lot of weight, 1.5 kilogram, and it can make the rubber strands to 21.5 centimeter, and it is at the elastic limit level. For the second time, we add a lot of 1.5 kilogram to 3.0 kilogram, and the rubber can strands to 24.0 centimeter and is at the yard strength level. Lastly, we add another 1.5 kilogram and make it to 4.5 kilogram, and it is make the rubber can strength it up to 26.5 centimeter and is at the level of ultimate strength.